In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Wix website with group members 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite teammates to your Wix site, choose the right access for each person, and send a clean, professional invitation that gets them collaborating fast. Start by heading to your site's Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your website. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're on the correct one before you continue. From the dashboard, scroll down the page and click Settings. This is where Wix groups most of your site-level controls, including permissions and collaboration tools. Inside Settings, scroll through the options and look for the General area. This section organizes key admin items for your site. Nearby, you'll see an option called Roles and Permissions. Click that to open the collaboration panel. This page shows who currently has access, what they can do, and gives you tools to invite new people safely. Next, click Invite Collaborators. A window will open where you can add the people you want to work with. Enter the email addresses of your site collaborators. Double-check spelling to avoid bounced invites, and use work emails if your team has them for easier tracking. If someone doesn't have a Wix account yet, that's fine. Wix will guide them to create one when they accept the invite. Now choose the roles for each person. Roles determine what collaborators can see and do. For example, an admin or co-owner can manage almost everything, while an editor can work on site content without touching billing or ownership. You'll also find more specialized roles, like blog or store management, depending on the apps you use. Assign the least amount of access someone needs to do their job. This protects your site and keeps responsibilities clear. If you're unsure, start with a more limited role and adjust later. When the emails and roles look correct, click Send Invite. Wix will email each person a secure invitation with their assigned role. After sending, you'll see their status as pending until they accept. If necessary, you can return to this page later to change roles, remove access, or resend invites. Remind your teammates to check their inbox and spam folders, and to accept the invite using the same email you entered. That's it. You've shared your Wix website with your group in a controlled, professional way, setting everyone up to collaborate confidently and securely.